are you? Fine. Say hi to Bib. Hi, Bib. Are you okay? We're very fine, right, Julie? And today we have a different story to tell you. Do you like dogs? I personally, I love dogs. So this book right here is a really good book for us, right, Julie? Because we love dogs. It's Harry the Dirty Dog. Let's read it. Harry the Dirty Dog by Jean Zion. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. So one day, when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush. Look at him running away with the scrubbing brush. And buried in the backyard. Look at him. Look at all the mess he's making. Then he ran away from home. Look at all these vegetables, the little animals, the babies. He played where they were fixing the street and got very dirty. Look at it. He's so dirty. He played at the railroad and got even dirtier. Look at these. I don't even know where he is. He's here. He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. Where is him? Where is him? There's so many different dogs here. He's here. All dirty. Oh my goodness. He slid down the coal chute and got dirtiest of it all. In fact, he changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought that he had really run away. He felt tired and hungry too, so without stopping on the way, he ran back home. Look at him, poor baby. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in the backyard. By the way, has anyone seen Harry?" When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them he was Harry. He started to do all his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped and flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. Look at him playing dead. It's so cute. He danced and sang. He did this trick over and over again, but everyone shook their hands and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." Harry gave up. He walked slowly towards the gate, but suddenly stopped. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. He found the scrubbing brush, and carrying it on his mouth, he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed, with the family following close behind. Look at him. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly have never done before. Look at him. That's so cute. "The little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy, Daddy, look, come quick. It's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail, and very happy. His family calmed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun he had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly, he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush he'd hidden under his pillow. Look at the brush here. And that's it. It was such a lovely book, wasn't it, Julie? Yeah. Do you like it? I really liked it. And I think Harry now is really happy because he took that shower that he really needed to take, right? So that's it. Thank you, book. Thank you very much. Thank you, babe. Bye.